Welcome back to this channel and to another video as we explore the applications of AI for local government. Excited to have you with us here today and learn more about AI use cases in local government. I want to take you back about 3 months ago. 3 months ago, I got something in the mail. It was one of the craziest tech gadgets of 2024. I think it still is. I haven't seen anything like it to date. And honestly, my reviews of this was pretty mixed. I didn't really know what to think of it. I liked it kind of, but it was still kind of clunky. Right now, I'm not giving it more than maybe 2 stars right now. It's really clunky. Everything I can do here, I can do faster on my phone. I'm talking, of course, about the Rabbit R1, this guy right here, right? So since that time, since the 3 months, there's been some interesting changes that have occurred within this Rabbit R1. Some new features have come out, some different things you can do with it, and I'm excited to show what you can do with it here today. One of the things that's really cool is it can connect to real-time information. Actually, it can browse the internet for you. For instance, I can say, what was the biggest upset in college football today?
Searching now. Searching for biggest upset in college football October 5, 2024. The biggest upset in college football today was Vanderbilt's victory over number 1 Alabama. Vanderbilt defeated Alabama 40-35, marking a historic win as it was their first ever victory over a top-ranked opponent. This game took place on October.
Do you have any pictures from the game?
Getting images of Vanderbilt Alabama football game October 5, 2024. Here are some pictures from the Vanderbilt versus Alabama football game on October 5, 2024.
What it's doing,
These images capture some of the exciting
I'll show you
moments
in a
from the
second if
game.
it's done. So what it's doing here is it actually is showing me pictures, and I won't be able to show you because the screened camera won't be as great, but I'll show you on my computer because you actually can go back into what's called the rabbit hole and see that, but actually you can look at pictures of this game. And it's pretty cool. You can actually see live pictures from the game. This is real time, right? I can even ask, are there any college football games going on right now?
Searching for current college football games October 5, 2024. Currently, there is a college football game in progress. Miami, Florida versus California. Status,
So
score, Miami, Florida 18, California 38.
it gives us real-time information, real-time data. If you're looking for something and you want to browse the internet, you can use this little guy right here to do that for you. But there's actually something even better than that they came out with. I'll show you some pictures here of that Bama Vandy game that we were talking about before. So, but this is the cool thing, even better than that. There's this thing called the LAM Playground, or Large Action Model Playground. R1 is the portal for you to talk with these agents that we call rabbits who hop around the web to help you navigate websites. So kind of similar to AI agents, if you were playing around with those before, all done through here or on your browser, which I'll show you in a second here. What we're gonna do here is we're on this page, we're gonna go to LAM Playground, all right? Let's do this first. Search Google News for retiring, terminated, or resigned city managers in the past month. It's going to look at some things here. It's going to look at the news articles. So you can see I'm not doing anything. My hands are up here. I'm actually not clicking any buttons at all. We have a response here. Presque Isle city manager, or Presque Isle city manager resigns after a month in the job. Bangor Daily News. So kind of cool, but we can even go a step further than this. We can even do this. You can say browse Amazon for Robert Hyatt's AI books. Again, my hands are up here. I'm not doing anything at all. But watch what happens. It's typing that in there all by itself. These AI agents are doing that. So it says the search results for Robert Hyatt's AI books include Zero to Hero, ChatGPT prompting in 30 days, and also the public sector survival guide for ChatGPT. And here we go. We can look at those things. As you can see, I can interact within this window as well too. I can add this to my cart right here. I'm clicking it now. I can go to my cart and look at here, and here it is right there, right? You can do all this different stuff here, and it asks for a email or mobile number to input field for sign in. So I'm not willing to do that, but as you can see, some really powerful things we can do here through this LAM Playground, but you can also connect this to the R1 and have the R1 do the interaction for you as well. If I go to LAM Playground here, I can do this. I can say, browse the internet for clerk minutes.
Entering the query, recent clerk minutes from government or municipal meetings into the search box.
And here you can see we have Clerk Minutes as an AI powered.
Exploring the Queen Creek government website for recent town meeting minutes.
Okay, that's not what I wanted here. So let's try this again. Let's try this here. Browse Google for clerkminutes.com.
Typing corkminutes.com into the search box to find the website.
Sorry, I said clerkminutes.com.
Correcting the search query to clerkminutes.com and performing the search again.
So here you can see we opened up clerkminutes.com. We can see here, and let's try this. Click on try it for free on clerkminutes.com.
Clicking on the Try It for Free button to initiate the free trial process.
So here, if I had a meeting agenda or a recording of something, I could drop that in there and actually generate. So it's going to try to do that for me. I don't think so because I don't have any with that one. But you can see I could bring in different agents here. I can even do this and say, browse the internet for a comparison between Otter AI and Clerk Minutes. One of the things you have to do is you have to say browse or search or something like that to trigger the LAM Playground for your Rabbit R1.
Exploring the blog section to find relevant comparisons between Otter.ai and Clerk Minutes.
And here's this article right here.
The article titled Clerk Minutes Otter.ai for Local Government to gather more information for comparison. Scrolling down to read more of the article on Clerk Minutes compared to Otter.ai.
It's reading the article. Should give me a summary here shortly.
Here is a comparison between Otter.ai and Clerk Minutes based on their features and target audiences. Similarities. Both are AI-powered tools designed for note-taking and meeting management. They enable users to capture, summarize, and analyze conversations. Differences. Otter.ai. Popular among professionals, students, and entrepreneurs. Provides detailed verbatim transcripts with key takeaways, action items, and keywords. Does not support municipal meeting minutes format. Clerk Minutes. Tailored for local governments, town meetings, and city councils. Converts spoken words into written text quickly. Allows searching through municipal meeting minutes. Adapts to the needs of any local government, maintaining the official meeting minutes format.
As you can see, it's kind of cool, these different ways that we can interact with the LAM Playground and look for stuff on the internet. Obviously, the time save is interesting too, because this is taking longer. But what I think it's doing is it's freeing up my time to go do other stuff. If, for instance, I want to learn more about a certain topic or a certain city or a certain way of doing something, I can just have the Rabbit R1 look for it. As you can tell, this thing is still a work in progress. I think it's made some significant strides over the last 3 months, though, with this LAM Playground here. Excited to see where this goes with this. It's still very clunky, still very slow, as you can tell. But I'm very curious to see what happens. One of the big things for me is how can I make sure that my passwords or things like that I integrate with these different websites are secure? How can I do that? How can I upload information into these different sites? Like in a Clerk Minutes example, how can I store that information on here or get this information here? That way I can upload it into the LAM Playground. Overall, still a work in progress. I think it's made significant improvements over the last 3 months, though, and I got to give them credit for that. One thing I'd like you to do, besides give credit to Rabbit R1 for a cool tech that they've created, is, of course, like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't know where this is going to go. Don't know where the Rabbit R1 is going with it. I'm excited they're continuing to roll out updates, and hopefully more of you are using this thing. If you don't already have it, or if you already have it, rather, let me know. I'd love to talk with you. And since you got it, has it sat on your shelf? Have you pulled it off? Have you used it? If you have anything cool with it, I would love to hear what you've done with it in the comments. That being said, again, thanks for your time today. And above all, hit that subscribe button. It's really helpful for me to grow this channel, and I appreciate all of your support. Till next time, be well.